Hi everyone!
Welcome back to Mom and Me Beauty. Thank you for joining us today. And I know it's been a long time since you have seen us on a video. And that is because we've had some family issues that we had to take care of. And you might have seen more about it on our Instagrams. So be sure to check those out as well at Mom and Me Beauty. And with me at Emma_N_2004. So this video is about our March favorites. So let's get started.
We call this first section, Gotta Have It. So these are products that we absolutely love, we've been reaching for frequently during the month, and things that we highly recommend to you. My first Gotta Have It for the month of March is the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer. Now, I am somebody who's combo skin. I've got oily, T-zone, and normal everywhere else. So for me to reach for a glowy primer is, kind of unheard of. But I swear this stuff is phenomenal. It really does give my skin a nice luminosity, even underneath the foundation. And it doesn't make my skin look too matte. Now, I've tried a lot of other matte primers, and I use the matte primer, then I put a matte foundation, and then I put powder on top to lock it in, and it just makes my skin look cakey or just too dry. The thing that I like about this is I can put a matte foundation over it and then put powder on top of my foundation to set it, and it just doesn't make my skin look so cakey or dried out. It just gives it a nice healthier appearance to it. Now, mind you, my oil still does seep throughout the day, so by the end of my wear day, I still have to either blot or touch up or just take my makeup off altogether. This doesn't make it worse by the end of the day, I found, than my matte primers. It locks everything in, but it doesn't make it look too cakey, if that makes sense. So I highly recommend it, even if you've got oily skin.
My first Gotta Have It for March is a body product. Now, I have two body products in this, so just bear with me. The first one is a body wash. It's from Bath & Body Works. It is the Tutti Dolci Golden Honey Praline. This is completely used up. I have nothing left in this, but this smells so good. It smells like, it's kind of sweet but also fresh smelling at the same time, if that makes sense. And it doesn't dry out your skin. It's very moisturizing. Now, in the wintertime, my skin gets incredibly dry. I find that this keeps my skin mostly hydrated. For me, this was really nice, and I'm gonna try to buy more because it just smells so good.
My next Gotta Have It for the month of March is something that I received in our Ipsy subscription early this month. It is the Glossier Dotcom Universal Skin Salve. So Jessica Braun is one of our favorite YouTube influencers, and she kind of skipped on this product, I think, in one of her subscription boxes too, and she raves about this stuff. It's for real, guys. It really is so good. The rose scent to it, and it does have a slight rose flavor to it, but it's not overpowering. If you're very sensitive to scents, I suggest you do not try this product. But if you can tolerate a mild scent and a mild flavor, then I highly recommend this stuff. During the winter, especially here in Western New York, your skin gets so completely dried out. Everything dries out, including your lips. This stuff I put on at night before I go to bed, and in the morning, it doesn't feel like it's gone. It still feels like it's there, and I feel like all of the moisture just sink right back into my lips. They're not cracked, they're not chapped, and I don't find I have to keep reapplying like a lip balm throughout my day. Before I tried this, I would put a lip balm on at night, and then throughout my day, I would still have to apply some sort of lip balm or oil or salve or what have you. This stuff, I don't have to do that. I put it on at night, and that's it. And it really has made the difference for my matte liquid lipsticks as well. I can wear those and not have any problem with them drying out my lips too much. So highly recommend this. As soon as I get through this trial size, I'm definitely going to be repurchasing the full size.
My next favorite is, again, from Bath & Body Works, and that is the Vanilla Bean Noel Body Cream with Shea Butter. Now, I know this is a Christmas scent, I know, But they do sell this every Christmas season, so don't think that it's never going to be there again. It will be, it's just going to be repackaged. This smells amazing. If you love anything that smells like vanilla or just cozy and warm smelling, you would love this. It is very moisturizing, and especially in the winter, my cuticles like to get really dry. I have no idea what the issue is, but on my thumb, like, it really does get dry. So I'll just take a little dot of this, you know, rub it all over my hands, and my hands will be back to normal.
My next gotta have it for the month of March. I kind of went a little overboard. I have 4 of these, but 3 of them right here next to me. These are the new Milani, I don't know what they call these, the Milani. I will have the full description of this product in the description bar below. So anyways, they're top coats that you put on over top of your lipstick or even your liquid matte lipstick, but they're glitter. They're pretty much like pure glitter. Any other glitter top coat that I've ever tried is so gritty. It either, like, you get fallout underneath your lips, or it just feels like sand on your lips, and it's so incredibly uncomfortable. These, I don't know what is in them other than the glitter. The glitter is so micro fine, so maybe that's the difference. But you put this on, you let it dry down, and you don't feel like there's anything on your lips. You can put these over regular lipsticks. You can put these over your liquid matte lipsticks. You can put these over lip gloss. I've even done that before too. They dry down, they look fantastic. They do have a little bit of wear off, so if you're going to be eating or drinking, talking a lot, they're going to wear off. But otherwise, they stay put. I have had these on for like 10 hours before, and it does wear down in the center first, so there was like glitter around the outside, like the line of my lips. They're really, really good. Oh, so affordable. I just love them so much, and I think they've got like 5 or 6 different shades available in the line, and like I said, I have 4 of them. And I did a couple of swatches of that glitter on my hands. So this first one right here is number 2, Flashing Light, which is like a pinky coral. Then the middle one is number 3, Fluorescent Light. So that's the darker one right there. And I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but you see the amount of glitter in these top coats. It's insane how much glitter is in there. It does have like a colored undertone to it, or like a metallic base color to it, but then the glitter is in there as well. So you can sheer it out so you still see your lip color underneath, but the glitter is really what you're going for, and it is like packed full of glitter. And the last one is number 1, which is Luster Light. That's the lightest one I have on my hand. Luster Light is a combination of, I would say, like peach, beige. I do see a little bit of pink glitter in there as well. Yeah, it's phenomenal. I absolutely love these. I might even repurchase backups for when I go out on these.
My next gotta have it is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Now I do have a third, but it's kind of breaking, so I didn't want to touch it because it just gets all over the place. But I do have the colors Child Star, and the one that's breaking is called Sellout. Love that it's a trial size, and I do want to get the full size. And then I have this other one.
It's called Suck It.
Didn't want to say it. So
yeah.
Anyways, today I have both of these on. Like, I mixed them together. I think these are great. I just got this one yesterday for the ULTA 21 Days of Beauty, and these are just great. They don't dry out your lips. They stay on a long time. They actually feel pretty moisturizing, because when you wear liquid lipsticks, you can kind of feel like dryness on the inner part of your lips, and you don't get that with these. My next gotta have it for the month of March is probably overkill for you guys. I'm really, really sorry. You hear me rave all the time about the ULTA Color Correcting Liquid Concealer. Up until now, I've been raving about the peach one. Well, guys, I've now discovered the pink one. Oh my goodness. So the peach one really does cancel out any dark circles underneath my eyes. Completely cancels it out, turns it into the same skin color as the rest of my skin. And then I can put concealer over the top of it. It doesn't crease, it doesn't cake up. It really holds like locks, and it's waterproof, and I can attest to that through crying
rain, swimming, it really does hold on. It does not budge. But the pink one not only cancels out a lot of the blue and purple underneath my eyes, but it also brightens. So I can wear a concealer that maybe isn't lighter than my skin tone. Maybe it's like the same or maybe one shade lighter. I can put that kind of concealer over the top of this and it still looks incredibly bright, like I've had a full 8 hours of sleep, and really I've only had maybe 4. This stuff is fantastic. It behaves just like the peach, and I love the fact that it gives that extra brightening effect. So it's really affordable as well.
My next gotta have it is the Too Faced White Peach palette. Now they did come out with a Just Peachy Mattes palette way back, I think,
last year.
Last summer?
Yeah.
And I just purchased that too. So I am in the process of trying that one out. But this one, oh my goodness, it is so good. This one does again have those peachy tones, but it's got some shimmers. It's got that dark purple and a black in there. And it also smells like peaches with some fig cream in it. I personally don't like that scent too much because it kind of smells like butter. I know I might be the only person who says that, but it kind of smells like butter to me. On the other hand, there is a shadow in here. I think it's called Peach Ice. That is the prettiest eyeshadow in this palette, and I think it is great for using it as an inner corner highlight. I think I'm crazy enough to use it as a cheek highlight, in all honesty. I just like that blinding glow.
My last gotta have it for the month of March is one of the new Real Techniques glitter brushes. Again, I don't know the exact name of it. I will have it down in the description bar below for you. This, oh, I love this. It is so unbelievably good. So this is, I think, one of their shader brushes or their crease brush. They came out with a whole line of brushes that have like the purple glitter handle to them. And then the tip is purple and like pink. This brush is so good at getting at the outer corner or the outer V of my eye, and then again in the crease. It blends so well. The tip is so densely packed but soft at the same time, and that's really hard to do, really hard to find. If you've got dense brushes, sometimes they are incredibly stiff and rough, and like I said, it's kind of hard for me to find at least a brush that is affordable, that's densely packed, that's going to give you a lot of blendability, a lot of versatility in what it can do, but still be soft at the same time and not scratch at your skin, which is a very delicate area in your eye area. So I think I'm going to be picking up some more brushes from this line. I think they've got like maybe 4 or 5 different face brushes.
My last gotta have it for the month of March is from Physicians Formula, and that is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. Oh my gosh, where has this been all my life? This is so far the most blinding highlighter I've ever used, and I'm obsessed with it. I used to really love the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in, I can't remember, I think it was Blossom Glow. I haven't used that highlighter since. This is just so good. It smells amazing. It smells like coconut. It smells like a nice relaxing day at the beach. I know that's what we all need right now, but you have it in a highlighter. Now the packaging is a little bit like the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows, I think it is. Love the packaging. It's holographic, and I know some people would appreciate that. The only thing I do have to say about this is it can get a little bit chunky on your brush. So like when you swirl your brush around in it and when you go to put on your face, you'll see like little balls of highlighter on your brush. So it will be a little bit patchy at first, but then you just have to blend it out and then it will be perfect. Okay, our next section in this video is called Don't Buy It. The first thing and only thing I have to talk about is the BH Cosmetics White Rose highlighter palette. This has some really pretty colors, and I bet they would work for other people. It's just, for me, I don't really like the type of shades that are in here. We've got a bright pink, 2 shades that are kind of skin colored but too dark for me, and a white duochrome green highlighter. I swatched all these on my hands. I've tried it on my face, and they just don't work for me. It's a pass for me, but if you have a darker skin tone, you might actually like this palette.
Okay, my one and only don't buy it for the month of March is the Essence Color Correcting Liquid Concealer. Now, I have been on the hunt, other than that Ulta Beauty Color Correcting Concealer, I have been on the hunt for another color correcting concealer so that if, maybe I just find something that works better for me, or if Ulta stops selling this concealer, God forbid, then I'll have something else that I can fall back on. In any case, so I tried this. It's really affordable. It's by Essence. The problem with this is it is so incredibly thin and watery. There's like no pigmentation whatsoever. It almost looks like a really bad lip gloss. I'm not kidding you guys. It's really, really bad. So this is one swipe. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that this far away, but just take my word for it, guys. It's so incredibly thin. I just blended it out a little bit on my hand. It settles into the creases and the fine lines underneath your eyes. I tried it once and it was that bad. I cannot bring myself to try it again. It was that bad. So this is a complete pass for me. It does say that it has a wake up effect, but I don't think it is waterproof, or it doesn't claim to be waterproof. No, it doesn't claim to be waterproof at all, whereas the Ulta Beauty one, it definitely is waterproof, and I put it through the test, so it holds up to those claims. This is awful. Pass by it. Get yourself a couple dollars more and get yourself one of those Ulta color correcting concealers. And that is it for our merch. Gotta have it and don't buy it. We hope that you really enjoyed this video, and we really thank you so much for joining us today. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. We do upload twice a week. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays is either Teen Take with Emma or Mom Moment with me. Thank you again so much for all of your support, your love, your prayers for Emma and I and our family during this time. We are going to try to get back on track so that we are posting regularly again every week, twice a week. Make sure that you share us with your friends and family who you think would benefit from our viewpoint here on YouTube, from our content on YouTube. And also don't forget to give us a big thumbs up down below if you like this video. In the comment section below, let us know what some of your favorite beauty favorites for the month of March are. And also, if you would like to see any videos with more detail on any of the products that you have seen in this video, let us know that in the comment section below. We would be happy to film one of those videos for you. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under Mom and Me Beauty, and with Emma under Emma_N_2004. Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next Mom and Me video. Bye everyone!